Assalamu alaikum. My name is Ellon Tom. I am the Deputy Representative in the World Health Organization, Pakistan. We have been working with the BISP when it comes to malnutrition management. As you know, in Pakistan, stunting is at 40% and wasting is at 17%. We come in to provide treatment for severely acute malnourished children with complications. Once they develop complications, then we work with the Minister of Health at provincial level in the various provinces to provide admission and treatment to these children in Nutrition Stabilization Centers. Currently with BISP, we have 143 Nutrition Stabilization Centers across the country where we are treating severely acute malnourished children under 2 and under 5 to ensure that they thrive and they are able to achieve their milestones. So far, since the last quarter of 2024, we have been able to treat 25,000 severe acute malnourished children in the 143 Nutrition Stabilization Centers across the country. We have also been able to provide counseling for maternal and infant young children nutrition to about 38,000 mothers who provide care to the severe acute malnourished children in the Nutrition Stabilization Centers. This is a very timely intervention because we are saving lives of children who otherwise would have lost their lives if this intervention could not have happened. Apart from that, we are also conducting sentinel surveillance where we are monitoring trends of malnutrition in the various provinces. We thank BISP for partnering with us for the component of treatment of some children with complications. Thank you so much.